In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now choose All Services. Scroll again to tap on Autofill with Google. And finally, hit Google Password Manager. Now it's time to select the password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and click on this eye icon to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!